Hi besties, today's video I will be sharing with you on how to make the perfect coated peanut for commercial and personal consumption. So here I have my groundnuts. So now I'm going to be picking out the dirt from the groundnuts. So no, I'm going to remove the corn, the stones. So we're going to be picking it out so that we can get all our groundnut all to ourselves. So now I'm going to be picking them one after the other. Then after taking your time in picking out the peanuts, so now this is the dirt. You also remove the open layers of the groundnut. Any groundnut that is already opened, you have to just bring it out because it's not going to coat well. So you're going to bring out. So now we have a fresh groundnut. So now we are going to be soaking it in hot water or a lukewarm water. So you can either soak it for some time. So now I'm going to put it out in a bowl, and here I have 3 cups of groundnuts here with me. So now after my soaking, I'm going to be sieving out the water. So my water is not a very hot water. I didn't use a very boiling water to soak my groundnuts. So now after soaking your groundnut and you sieve out, you're going to be air drying it. Or that if you have a hair dryer, hair dryer machine, you can use, or you can also use your sunlight. Like me, I'm going to be using my sunlight because I don't have a hair dryer machine. So I'm going to be drying it using the sun. So now I'm going to be leaving it for it to dry up very well so that we can now proceed. Now it is dried up, and this take up to 2 hours because I want it to be properly dried. So after my peanut is dry, you can see the results. So now we're going to be mixing our ingredients. I'm having 2 cups of flour. I'm adding it here. So this is the drying ingredient. Then I'm going in with my nutmeg, my powdered nutmeg, and also my powdered milk. So I'm going to be mixing them together properly. Then after that, we're going to be adding in our wet ingredients. So now we have an egg and all this mixture depending on the quantity of your peanuts you are making. So I'm going to be adding in my sugar, and I'm also going to be adding vanilla extract. You can also add any flavor of your choice. So you mix them properly very well. Then you mix. So now we have all our ingredients ready for coated. We have the dry ingredients and we also have the wet ingredients. So and now we have the main boss of the day, which is the groundnuts. So now we're going to be coating the groundnuts now. So while using this method, you need a big bowl for it to mix and coat well. So I'm going to be using this big bowl for this mixture. So use a big bowl that has a lot of space so that it will help the peanuts to be different from each other, so that it will not be joined together. So I'm going to be adding in my peanuts in my groundnuts inside the bowl. Then after adding in my groundnuts, I'm going to start filling them up with my wet ingredients. I'll just be adding a little bit of wet ingredients and also a dry ingredient, then coat well. So just keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Like this video and also give me a comment, okay, in the comment section. So why coating? Make sure you are coating a lot of times. Like you have to keep coating till the mixture, the dry and the wet ingredients mix very well for it to have a good smooth surface. So you're going to coat a lot of times. Like me, I coated up to 3 times, so you can coat more if you want. So you just keep coating and you're going to be sieving it out. Then I'll be transferring it into a strainer to remove any excess flour from the coated peanuts. So now I am removing the excess flour. Then after that, we're going to be frying on a low heat. Not too hot, not too cold, just on a low heat, normal heat, so that it can all fry equally. Then after frying, you fry gradually, small, stir, so that it won't get burnt and it won't get joined to each other. So you keep on frying till it is brown. Yes. Then now our peanut is ready. Our coated commercial or personal consumption peanut is ready. So if you be trying this method, let me know about that in the comment section. And also, after frying, you are going to be, after frying and it's air dried already, when it's dried up, then you're going to be keeping it in a airtight container of your choice. Yes, if it's for commercial use, you can use your nylon, seal it up, or if it's for commercial, it's for personal use, you can look for your airtight container, then put it inside so that it will last long, so that air will not spoil it. So we're going to put it in the airtight container, and voila, our peanut is ready. So crunchy and coated well. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.